All right, and welcome back to the channel. And today we're going to be working on a. Is this coming to light? Let's see if we get some right here. Dell. That's right. We're not going to be doing any swaps, any mods. This is actually a computer repair that just came in, and just want to do a quick video on it. So if you notice, my garage setup looks kind of wonky over here. And what's going on is we're doing a remodel, and we're getting my work area set up over here. So I had the computer desk right over here, and we're gonna end up moving it to this corner over here, set up some shelves and some cameras. And I know it's kind of all over the place, but this will be out of here and all that stuff, and we're gonna have a nice little work studio over here. So we're definitely working on that. Stay tuned for any updates and follow-ups on this video, and we'll definitely talk about how my computer workshop turns out. So it's gonna be really cool, so definitely stay tuned. So this computer, customer complaint, it is extremely slow. Okay, and they don't really have much of a budget for it. So what can we do? Well, as you can see, mechanical hard drive, and I know the lighting is horrible, but forgive me on that. Mechanical hard drive, i5, maybe a second gen, maybe a third gen, I don't know which one it is. So the first thing I do, what do you do when you have a computer that's slow and you don't have money to fix it? Well, that's right, uninstall Norton. You must uninstall Norton. And that's what we're doing right now. We're uninstalling Norton. I have found in my many years of doing computers, Norton is complete garbage. Number one, it slows your computer. Number two, it slows your computer. Number three, it takes over your computer. Number four, it slows your computer. You see where I'm going with it. It slows your computer, it takes over your computer. There are some versions of it that are completely impossible, almost not impossible, but just very annoying to uninstall. And when it's running in the background, it's just such a resource hog. I mean, I hate Norton. I really do. If you don't have the money for an antivirus, Avast works great. Windows Defender actually does a really good job, and just be mindful of where you're clicking and what you're doing. A VPN also works really good as protecting you from those spywares and hacker people whatsoever. So yeah, get rid of Norton. Norton is garbage. No bueno, no goodo. Get rid of Norton. That's the first thing that you should do. And honestly, it won't surprise me that once I do this, which I tell you this right now, this computer just booted up in half the time. When I first got it up, it took forever to boot up, and it just did it in half the time, all because I got rid of Norton. So let me log on here real quick, and we'll be right back. All right, so Norton is uninstalled, and let me tell you, it's running 20 times better. It's booted up in half the speed. Windows is moving smooth, and yeah, it's like a totally different computer. I mean, didn't even have to get a solid state hard drive just to speed this one up. So definitely happy with that. This is a Dell, for anybody that's just wondering, and it's an i5, third gen, 3.1 gigahertz, 12 gigs of DDR3, pretty decent computer, and Norton brought it to its knees. Bad Norton, definitely brought it to its knees, and yeah, it just blows my mind. Every computer I get, I can't tell you how many times I get these computers in, and the first thing that we do, ooh, I just realized I have light. There we go. And the first thing that I do is I check to see if it has Norton. Once it has Norton, it's done. Also, I charge for this. Everybody knows my service for working on computers in my area is $60. So when I get your computer in, I go through it, I clean it up, you know, blow it out, thermal paste, you know, whatever it needs. I give you the whole service. And a lot of times the easiest fix that I make the easiest amount of money is uninstalling Norton. I can't tell you how 80% of the time I uninstall Norton, computer is fixed, and I make $60 just for maybe 20-30 minutes of work. So yeah, if you get a computer, get rid of Norton. It's going to save the customer a lot of headache. Put Avast if they need something in there, and you can make really easy money. I know people are going to say, hey, oh, that's ripping people off. No, it's not ripping people off. You're paying me for a service. You're paying me for something I know that you don't know. And yeah, and that's what you agree to. I tell them $60 just to look at it, and I take care of it. And a lot of times it's just Norton. So definitely quick tip on that. And if you want to make some easy money, just uninstall Norton. Can't stress that enough. Norton is garbage. So yeah, I just want to do a quick video on this, and I'll put this together. This video might be a little bit all over the place. So yeah, definitely comment down below. Subscribe if you like the content. I just want to hear what you do when you get a computer. How do you fix it? My first thing is get rid of Nortons. Let me hear your stories about it. And if you like the video, definitely hit the like button. Thanks for watching, and we'll see what we come up with next.